Hi guys, today I'm going to repair this tablet. This is Samsung. Oh my god, you see completely damaged the screen here. Before I'm going to take this out, I will sellotape it so then I don't have anywhere lost all over. I have already a screen protector, but yeah, I just fell from the stairs and so damage everything. So can happen. So I taped it up to remove it because I don't want any to it. So first of all, we're going to remove the sides. Just be gentle. You need to remove first this one. Oh yeah, I need to. Okay, so it doesn't matter. So you need to remove this one. This is SIM card. Okay, it's not for SIM card because this phone is not able to have a SIM card. It's more for the how does it call? Yeah, for the stick, for the saving stick. How that's called? I forgot. So you try don't to damage. So yeah. Very careful. Lock. Yeah, I have. So now I've opened one side. I'm going to do it all around. So just click, 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 click. So I hope you can see it. So now I removed this one. Yeah, you can see it. I just broke this here. I definitely need to glue it on later. No, I will make it now. I have this glue because it takes time to dry. I need just to apply on this side. So yeah, happen. So I'll leave it for dry. I don't need it at the moment. So I hope you can see the black ones. I'm going to remove the battery first. Before I'm removing the battery, I'm going to screw them out. No, it's not that. There's it down here. Going to screw this, both small screws. Then I take this out. See? Whoopsie daisy. So now I'm removing the battery that's here. Then I'm pulling on them. So then on the other side. And the battery should just slide off like this. I'm having them new ones, so I'm going to replace them later on when I put them on again. Now we don't need the battery, we will put it on the side. So now I'm going to reconnect. First of all, we need to plug this off. So I hope you can see it. Then pull it a little bit because here's a sticker so that we can leave. Now we need to remove this one. Yeah, but don't mix the screws. So we have here a little bit silver thick screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remove them. After that we have three black screws. 1, 2, 3. We need to remove them as well. 1, 2, and 3. So wait, I'm removing them. So I'm not losing them when it's just popping out. And then it's plugged inside here. I'm using this one. Just be careful, don't break anything. It's already screen broken, so don't need to break more. That's the speakers. See, that's the speakers. We'll definitely clean them just later. So now the very important part, there is a sticker, a small yellow sticker. We first remove the small yellow sticker very gently. Put it first here inside. Then we open up small, and we just can slide out. We should, but yeah, okay, it's a sticker there as well, so if we pull it out, be very carefully, okay? So now we remove them. Now we need to remove the screen from the bow bottom. It is like they are glue on the sides, and that's why they're on it, but we removed them already. So I'm going to try to push this from this side very gently to not destroy this frame here. And now you can see that, yeah, like how it's going open. So be careful. You can use as well gloves when you're doing that, because you're not cutting yourself. I put more sellotape on because I don't want any more this silly glass. And I'm as well using cotton. So when it's falling down, you can just throw it in the bin. So okay. Now we continue to open the sides. You can put your nails in between. Oh, I'm having a tool, something, a card, probably card what you are not using anymore. Just slide in, and then because the screen is already broken, so I just need to be careful that I'm not hurting myself. That's very important. Don't hurt yourself, okay? Do it patiently. Don't rush. I know I will definitely regret it that I'm not using gloves. I just can't find one. Any. So yeah, just have to do it.
So now I'm going to try it also open it again. It should definitely go better. Okay, I think I need do it again. More. Yeah, it's going to melt a little bit more. So. Be careful, it's very hot.
So now cleaning this. The glue is very good, so just to make them hot again, then remove step by step. Remove the complete glue, so then if you reapply new glue, it will not, it is nice and smooth. Yes, so I removed everything, so I hope you can see it. Even the glue, move if you this, so you can see it's absolutely wood. So I'm going to put this away. I don't need it anymore. Put all the rubbish inside. So now I'm going to test first the new screen before I glue it on. So I'm going to show you how to test it. So that's the old one. Hope you can see it. I even stuck myself, but it's okay. Now it's gone. So this one goes up. This goes in. So I take this out. This here goes in here. Usually they're making a sticker here, but I'm not going to do that. Not yet. So that's my screws. First I'm reattaching this one. Very gentle, slide in, put down, tape it back. Very good. then I touch up here, so it should fit perfectly. It's nice. So now I'm touching the battery without the glue, because I first need to test if it's working. So now be careful, you need to hold both sides. Then I'm pressing, and I will look if it looks that it's working. Oh, I'm still having some. Definitely looks good. So it looks that it's working. I still need to wait till they're completely loaded, and then I will check if it's working even with a touch screen. Okay, it's very dark. I will lighten it up for you, so I hope you can see it. It works perfectly. I'm very happy about it. So yeah, now I'm put everything out, glue it together. I mean the screen. First I take it out. So that's very important. Don't forget to put it off. And then open it up, so you're not damaging it. When it's damaged, then it's damaged. Okay. I don't know to put a sticker here or not. I'm not very sure if I'm going to do that. Yeah. So first I'm going to use this glue, T7000. It's a very good glue, even it's with a very pointy. And I'm going to put the glue all over it. Just make sure that you're not covering the cameras or something. It's a very good glue for to reapply the screen. So if something is wrong, well, you need to open it up again. So I will prefer you to blow dry it first and make the glue hot so you can remove it easily. Now I'm putting everything in. The glue is a little bit out, so that's not a problem. You can just clean it off. It's a very good glue. See, that's why it's important to make sure that that is as well inside. So I'm going to retouch it again on this side, slide it up. So it looks nice. Now we're going to retouch that all again, like up here. And I slide this in. So just be gentle with everything you're doing. Like always in time, be gentle. So it's nice. I like that. It looks nice too, yes. So now you're going to attach the battery. So let me see. Okay. I'm going to replace the glue stickers. I've found this one. I think they are very good, because when something happens like this again, I'm going to cut them. So I have 2 straps from one side and then another side. I'm going to first open this up. Okay. Then I'm installing it. One on this side. Probably I should take the other side. Okay. Okay. I will definitely not glue the battery with this one, because you can't remove this very easily without a blow dryer, and I would not like to make the blow dryer, so the hot dryer on the battery. I would not like that. No, I think it's not good. So I'm going to remove them. Make sure we will close this. Oh, I will remove that as well. I should have put it other side, but it's okay. It's happened. I'm going to remove that later. Okay, not a problem. So I stuck that in, because now you can see it's like easily to pull it out, like the first one I've shown you when you plug that in. So then we plug it in the battery, so it's nice. The glue definitely need to dry 24 hours. If you're having a little bit outside, that's not a problem. You can just clean it up with your nail like that. And it definitely needs to be 24 hours to full dry. So now I'm going to retouch this one, the small plate, for the battery. So now we have here some small screws. Then you turn the other way, and when you hear this cluck cluck, then you knew now you can screw it in like easily. So now you listen carefully. Then you can screw it in. So now I'm going to attach the black one. So now we have the 3 black screws down here. So 1, 2, 3. It's exactly the same. Try that's making like click, and then you can just turn it in. So now this one. One, two, three, and the last one, 4. Wonderful. So now you see we attach everything. At the end we definitely need to put on the back cover again. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. I don't know why it's so filthy in it, but yeah, it's happened. So now you just click this in. All around. Nice. So now I think it's finished and I'm very happy about the result. I definitely need to recharge the battery because it's empty. I'm going to turn it on again. So yeah, I think the battery definitely needs to charge. Let me try it again. And the battery needs to charge. Where is it? Okay. So now I'm charging it. I hope it will turn on. Yeah, 2%. Looks good. It's just on the side. I think I put just a little bit too much glue in. But that's okay. You can just peel it like this off. That happened. because I'm not a professional. I'm just a mother which thinks it's not worth it to buy a new one. It's better to replace the display because children always break something, so I think do it yourself, it's better, and to repair it's better than just throw it away, because the tablet used to be very good one. I really like that. The children are making very wonderful homeworks when we had lockdown. I was very happy to have them. So yeah, but that's what happened when children sometimes having items that they break down. Even can happen to everyone. So it looks wonderful. I really like it. I will not remove this cover at the moment. I will just wait until I have a hard cover to cover it up, and then I will remove it and then place the hard cover on it. So yeah, that's it. I hope you liked the video, and subscribe to my channel for more like this or even others. Oh, okay, interesting. Okay, install now. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.